Hello and welcome back on my channel. How are you all, my warriors? Practicing mindfulness can be a simple yet effective way to reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Here are some steps to get started. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Focus on your breath and observe the sensation of each inhale and exhale. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Notice any thoughts or emotions that arise without judgment and simply observe them. You can also try mindful walking by paying attention to the sensation of each step and your surroundings. Incorporate mindfulness into daily activities, such as eating or washing dishes, by focusing on the present moment. With practice, mindfulness can become a habit that helps you to live in the present moment and reduce stress in your daily life. Hope you find this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe button.